Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 4.1 magnitude felt in Tarapacá, Chile. Depth of this earthquake is 90.7 km and this earthquake felt on March 23, 2022. Local time is 12:30 am. Nearest volcano is Iruputunku. Nearby towns and cities Alto Hospicio and Iquique. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: scattered cloud, 15 degrees centigrade, 59 Fahrenheit, humidity is 34% and wind is 0 meter per second from west. Primary data source is United States Geological Survey. Estimated release energy from this quake is 24.8 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 21.3 tons. If you are in Chile and you felt this quake, make sure to comment, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more update about earthquake. Thanks for watching.